The PROXXON Rotary Tool MICROMOT 230E, the handy precision tool for highest requirements. Included is a set of 6 high-precision collets, which are suitable for use with a variety of accessories. Our special hardened steel collets have triple slits. This provides maximum support and optimal concentric accuracy of the bits and cutters. With a diameter of just 37 millimeters, this tool combines the advantages of a handy rotary tool with the capacity and torque of a 230-volt motor. The black soft component in the streamlined finger grip area provides safe and precise guidance. As a result, the tool can always be operated with great sensitivity and control. With the 20mm collar, the MICROMOT 230E can be used in our drill stand and in horizontal universal holders. The full-wave electronics permit continuously variable adjustment of the speed at nearly the same torque in the lower speed range. This is especially important for micro-drilling, brushing, or polishing. The precision ball bearing mounted spindle can be locked at the push of the button, making it easy to exchange accessories. The MICROMOT 230E is not only ideal for fine precision work, but is also suitable for cleaning metals, cutting, and grinding applications. The new motor technology combines greatest power density with smallest possible dimensions. The balanced DC special motor supplies a high torque across the entire speed range, is extremely powerful, yet pleasantly quiet and extremely long-lasting. With the available accessories, the MICROMOT 230E is an extremely flexible and versatile tool to use. The precision tool PROXXON MICROMOT 230E, second to none in its class. PROXXON, tools with character.